Good morning po. What's your name po?
My name is Isaiah.
Isaiah. Ano pong religion niyo po?
Christianity, or to be more specific, born-again Christian.
Okay. Can you give us some of the beliefs and culture po on your religion?
So, our beliefs in Christianity is there is a Trinity, Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Jesus is God, and there is still the Almighty Father.
Okay po. May I know po how your religious beliefs influence your daily lives?
So, nag-influence siya sa akin, or it has influence in me in regards. One of them is in regards with my moral compass.
How can you say po na your religion shapes you?
So, in my previous answer, I said moral compass. So, it shapes me by knowing what is right and what is wrong. And religion helps me to know better than myself.
Do you think po ba you can live without your religion? Why or why not?
You can live a life without religion, but to have a good life without religion is impossible. Because in accordance to my previous answers, moral compass is one of the key things that religion gives, because it helps you to know what is right, what is wrong, and what to do in certain types of situations.
Okay po. Thank you po, Mr. Dinya. Good morning po. May I ask what your name po?
Junior Hermes,
Ano pong religion niyo po?
Catholic po.
Catholic po. Can you give us some of the beliefs and culture po on your religion?
Sumasamba po kami sa isang Diyos. Ano po? Di rin po kami sumasamba sa kahit sino.
May I know po how your religious beliefs influence your daily life?
Na-influensyan po tuwing nagsiserve ako at nakikinig ako sa homilies and readings. At pag nakikinig po ako doon, mas lalo lumalalim ang pananampalataya ko.
So meron po kayong role in your religion po?
Yes po.
Ano po?
Isa po akong saras.
Sacristan. How can you say po na your religion shapes you po?
Dati, nung wala pa po ako, hindi po ako kasali doon. Taong bahay lang po ako. Nung inaya po ako, yun, naging marami po yung kaibigan. Pagka nakakailangan po po, naging natatawag po ako.
Ano, do you think po ba your religion, you can live without your religion? Why or why?
Dahil wala kang religion. Then, wala ka nang sinasabi. Siguro po, wala ka ngayon sa nakatayo.
Thank you po, Mr. Junior. Magandang hapon po. Ano po pangalan niyo?
Ang pangalan ko is Jeremiah Yael de la Cruz.
Ano pong religion niyo po?
Christian Baptist.
May I ask po something about your religion? Can you give us some of the beliefs and culture po on your religion?
Merong three major beliefs sa culture namin, which is una, that salvation is only through grace and faith alone. Pangalawa, we believe in Trinity, that there is one God in three persons. And last, is meron lang dalawang church ordinances, which is Lord's Supper and baptism.
May I know po how your religion beliefs influence your daily life?
It influenced me in many ways, such as how should I live properly, and it affects me how I decide with my decisions every day, such as financially, health, and relationship with others.
How can you say po na your religion shapes you?
It shapes me into believing na I do not just live just to exist, but I live to glorify God and do everything that glorifies God.
Do you think po you can live without your religion? Why or why not?
I can live without my religion, but I can't live without Jesus Christ. Because religion only makes me aware that we need to be born again, and we are saved to only faith and grace alone. But Jesus Christ, we need Jesus Christ to live, because Siya yung nagbigay ng buhay sa atin at siya ang nagbibigay ng mga kailangan natin para mabuhay.
Thank you po.
Hello po. May I know po kung ano po yung religion niyo?
Ang religion ko po is Islam.
So, can you give some of the beliefs and culture po na meron kayo sa religion?
Sa beliefs po, naniniwala kami na iisa lang po ang Diyos at siya po si Allah.
Okay po. So, may I know po kung paano po yung religion na paniniwala niyo nakaka-influensya dun sa pamumuhay niyo?
Nakaka-impluwensya po siya kasi nagiging guide po yun sa paggawa po ng mga bagay-bagay.
Okay po. So, how can you say po na yung religion niyo shapes you?
It shapes me because ginaguide po ako at tinuturuan na gumawa ng mga tama at iwasan po yung mga maling gawain.
So, do you think you can live without your religion? Why or why not?
No po kasi since sabi ko po sa una, yun po yung nagiging guide sa akin. Kaya po kapag wala yun, hindi ko po alam kung ano po yung mga dapat gawin.
Yun lang po. Thank you po.